Did you like to pretend when you were a child? Listen to this story and learn how to use the verb pretend. When I was younger, my friends and I liked to pretend. We pretended to go to space. We pretended to drive cars. And we pretended to travel the world. How do we use the verb pretend? To pretend means to imagine doing or being something. We use pretend before an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. He pretended to be a teacher. She pretended to build a house. We can't use pretend before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. Now it's your turn. What did you like to pretend to do when you were a child? This is American English. Thank you for watching.